Deadlift, trap bar. The trap bar deadlift is one of the best ways to build full body strength while keeping the lower back in a safer, more neutral position. It's a powerful way to load the posterior chain, the glutes, hamstrings, and spinal erectors, while also engaging the quads and upper back. In this video, you'll see me using lifting straps. When lifting heavy, grip strength shouldn't be the limiting factor. Our goal here is to maximize volume and intensity through the posterior chain, and straps help you do exactly that. They let you focus on leg drive, hip extension, and maintaining a strong, stable torso without worrying about the bar slipping. Stand inside the trap bar with the feet hip width apart and the feet pointing straight forward. If you're using lifting straps, wrap them securely and let the hands settle around the neutral grip handles. As you set up for the deadlift, hinge at the hips and let the knees bend just enough to reach the handles. Keep the spine neutral from the back of the head down to the pelvis. Think chest up and ribs down. Your shoulders should be slightly forward of the handles, not behind them. From here, pull the shoulders down and back. Engage the lats. Twist your hands into the handles towards your pinky fingers as if you're trying to snap the bar. This will create shoulder external rotation. The elbow pits will point forward and the muscles of the back will engage to pull your shoulder blades back and down. Feel the tension build before the bar leaves the floor. Take a deep breath in through the nose and expand your belly. Think about increasing your midline pressure, not by sucking in, but by pushing out. This brace is what keeps your spine supported throughout the lift. From the bottom, your torso angle should stay consistent as the bar leaves the floor. Think about driving the feet into the ground, extending the knees first, and keeping the lats engaged by pulling the bar back while keeping the shoulders forward of the handles. Once the handles pass the knees, begin to extend the hips and stand tall. At the top, finish the rep by squeezing the glutes, but don't lean back. Stand straight and stable. Reset your breath at the top, belly full of air, ribs down. Soften the knees first. Push the hips back and hinge at the hips until the handles move below knee height. Only then allow the knees to bend more to guide the bar back to the floor. Control the descent. The bar should return to the ground in exactly the same path it traveled up. Key points to focus on are keeping the spine neutral, not rounding, not overextending. Let tension build before the bar leaves the floor. Don't rush the first rep. Maintain your brace throughout the entire lift. Use straps when the load is heavy enough that the grip becomes the limiting factor. Give it a try and see how you go. If you've got questions, please leave them in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.